Hello, I'm Stuart. Here in the video we will share the details for the Gundam Breaker error code 7DSF-2VH8SLJ5SVQ. As per our research, the error comes while connecting to the online multiplayer. According to our research, this is mainly a server-side issue, or if there is any bug within the game. As the error is related to the servers or any game bug, there is not much we can do from our end to resolve the error. We advise you to restart your device and then check if you need to update the Gundam Breaker. If so, then install the pending update and check for the error. If Gundam Breaker is already up to date or you tried updating it but the error is still coming, then we suggest you wait for a few hours and try again. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.